Do you know what causes vaginal odor? Welcome to another episode of Medication Station with Mello, your hub for essential drug and health information. As a pharmacist, my aim is to empower you with knowledge for educational purposes only. Always consult a trusted licensed medical professional for that individualized advice. Vaginal odor is a natural part of a woman's life, even though most women are too embarrassed to talk about it openly. It is something that can happen to any woman at any time. Today, we are going to talk about some of the common causes, prevention strategies, treatment options, and hopefully break down that unnecessary stigma associated with this part of a woman's health. So, what is considered normal? A mild, musky, tangy, fermented, or sour smell is considered normal. It is also normal to experience a metallic smell during menstruation due to the iron in blood. A yeast infection is a thick, white, clumpy, or cottage cheese-like discharge, often with no odor. It is also normal to experience a slightly stronger smell after sexual intercourse, but this smell tends to go away on its own with proper hygiene. And I'll explain why in another segment. However, if you experience a persistent, foul, fishy odor, vaginal itching, burning upon urination, thin, colorful discharge, it may be advisable to visit with your healthcare provider. Before we delve into some of the common causes of vaginal odor, let's take a minute and talk about the vaginal pH, or in general, the pH. What is the pH anyway? The pH is a measure of how basic or acidic something is relative to water. The pH scale runs from 0 to 14, with 7 being water neutral. Any pH below 7 is considered acidic, and any pH above 7 is considered alkaline. The pH of the vagina is between 3.5 to 4.5. So as you can see, it is clearly acidic. This acidity plays a very important role in preventing the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Anything that alters the vaginal pH to the alkaline side will cause bad bacteria to grow, thereby causing that unpleasant odor. Menstruation, sexual activity, and some of the products that we use in that area can alter the pH to the alkaline side. Now let's discuss some of the common causes of vaginal odor. First on my list is poor hygiene. It goes without saying. If you don't keep that area clean, you will allow dead skin and perspiration to build up, causing the type of odor that can actually penetrate through your clothing for someone else to smell. Second on my list is bacterial vaginosis, also known as BV. BV is often diagnosed by the doctor and treated with antibiotics. A lot of women carry the bacteria without even knowing. It is transmitted from one woman to another during intimacy. However, it is not classified as a sexually transmitted disease yet. BV cannot be transmitted from a woman to a man. However, the men can be carriers of the bacteria. Third on my list is yeast infection. This often occurs after a round of antibiotic treatment, which kills both the bad bacteria and some of the good bacteria. It can also occur when you wear tight-fitting clothing and not allowing air to circulate around that area. And it can also occur when you allow moisture to linger in the vaginal area for too long. Fourth on my list is using scented products. Scented products can alter the vaginal pH, thereby leading to vaginal odor. Fifth on my list is hormonal changes. Hormonal changes during menstruation, pregnancy, and menopause can alter the vaginal pH, thereby leading to vaginal odor. Sixth on my list is low lactobacillus levels. Lactobacillus is the good bacteria that helps to maintain a healthy vaginal environment. So when the levels are low, it allows for bad bacteria to flourish, thereby causing vaginal odor. Seventh on my list is sexual intercourse. Having sexual intercourse can actually alter the vaginal pH. Reason being, the semen is alkaline and the vagina is acidic. And sometimes during sexual intercourse, the pH of the vagina moves to the alkaline side. That's why I mentioned earlier, you may experience a slightly stronger odor after sexual intercourse. Eighth on my list, just having excessive vaginal secretions can alter the vaginal pH, leading to vaginal odor. Ninth on my list is eating foods with a strong odor. Foods such as garlic, onions, asparagus, cabbage, blue cheese, and fish. This brings us to the end of our topic for today. Thank you for watching. If you did not know all this, now you know. Hope you found this information valuable. Please subscribe, share, and comment below as to what topics you would want us to discuss in the future. So long, Mellow.